welcome to my channel. This is my new item. The brand is Columbia GP11. This part here is speaker. This one is speed 33, 45, and 78. The volume control at the same time, power switch off and on. Original stock adapter, queuing lever up and down, using a sapphire needle ceramic cartridge. And by the way, this is a manual queuing auto return auto stop turntable. And we will try to play the last part. We will test the auto stop auto return. You can close it or just open it like this. So that's all for this Columbia GP11. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.